Hi, kids. Welcome to the second day of the ABC Countdown. B is for buddy reading. So today, I hope you read with a buddy. It could be a pet, a parent, a grandparent, anyone you want. Let's get started with our letters. X, D, A, T, P, M, B, Y, A, K, V, I, S, Z, O, J, K, E, M, G, A, H, F, W. Okay, great job. Next, we're going to be working on some nonsense words. So if you want to go ahead and turn the sound off, go for it. And I will give you a wave when it's time to turn it back on. Here we go. Madge, sub, hot. Zep, cav, Nas. Fill, wap, sod. Lob, din, kev. Locks, huck, sov. Dal, nud, cuff. Ral, sep, pog. Okay, awesome work. Today, we're going to continue with our sight word sentence reading. So, read these to yourself, and then I'll read them afterward. They can take a walk. We should think this over. May I ask? How do you know? They have many cats. All right, great. So this week we've been talking about the and oo sounds, and today we're going to talk about the ow sound. You can make ow in a couple different ways. One way is like this, O-W. Some words that use O-W to make ow are cow, now, and owl. The other way we can make ow is with OU. Words that use OU to make ow are words like out, cloud, and shout. Okay. Go grab a pencil or a marker and a paper or a board and come right back if you don't have it already. We're going to practice working to spell some of these words. So first we'll start with words that use OW. The first word is now. Now. Let's take a look. Ow. N-O-W. The next word is owl. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. The last word is how. How. Ow. Very good. Let's move on to OU words. The first word is pout. 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 Okay, the first sound is P, using P, then ow with OU, and last T. Okay, the next word is cloud. 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 Awesome. K-l-ow, O-U, D. Great. Let's work on some sentences. Our first sentence is, The cow is out. The cow is out. The cow is out. Let's take a look. The cow is out. So we see cow uses k with a C and then OU, or I'm sorry, uses k with a C and then OW to make ow, and then out uses OU. Great. Our next sentence is, she likes to pout and shout. She likes to pout and shout. She likes to pout and shout. Let's take a look. She likes to pout and shout. So our words are both pout and shout, and both use OU. Here's our last sentence of the day. How is the owl? How is the owl? Okay. So we see we have how is the owl. So both how and owl use OW to make that ow sound. Great work! These are the problems we'll be working on today. In math today, we're going to talk more about comparing numbers. Remember, that is when we decide which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Today, we're going to be learning some new symbols to help us figure that out. Symbols are like signs or parts of a code. The symbols we'll learn today will help us decide whether numbers are greater or smaller. So, let's look at these two numbers. We've got 85 and 72. So, starting with the tens, we see that 85 has 8 tens and 72 has only 7 tens. So, 85 is the bigger number. How do we show that? With this symbol. You can see that the open end points towards 85 and the pointy end points towards 72. There's an easy way to remember this. This is an alligator. As you can see, when its mouth is open, it looks kind of like this sign. This is a bird. You can see its beak looks like the same sign pointing the other way. So, who eats more? The alligator or the bird? The alligator. So, remember, the alligator is always going to be eating the bigger number, and the bird will be eating the smaller number. Let's look at some examples. Our first problem asks, what's bigger, 44 or 48? Well, they both have 4 tens, so let's look at the ones. 44 has only 4 ones, and 48 has 8 ones. 8 is bigger than 4, so 48 is bigger than 44. How do we show that? We're going to use this symbol, and let's think about it. The alligator is going to be hungrier than the bird, so the alligator mouth points towards 48, and the bird mouth points towards 44. Let's look at the next one. 37 or 47. While they have the same number of ones, 47 has more tens, since 4 is bigger than 3. So, we'll say 47 is bigger than or greater than 37. Remember, the open alligator mouth wants to eat the bigger number because they are hungry. The bird, who eats less, will eat the smaller number, so it will look like this. Our next problem asks, what is greater, 55 or 59? They both have 5 tens, so let's look at the ones. 55 has 5 ones and 59 has 9 ones. Which one would an alligator want to eat? The bigger one. So what's bigger, 9 or 5? It's 9. So 59 is greater than 55. The symbol points this way. The next question asks, what is greater, 48 or 28? Let's think about it. So 48 has 4 tens and 28 has 2 tens. 48 has 2 more tens than 28, so it's a bigger number. The alligator eats 48 and the bird eats 28. Let's look at the next problem. What is greater, 22 or 31? So, in this problem, we see that 31 has 3 tens and 22 only has 2. So, which is the bigger number? 31 with 3 tens. So the alligator will eat 31 and the bird will eat 22. Our next problem asks, what is greater, 83 or 91? So in 83, we have 8 tens and 3 ones, and in 91, we have 9 tens and only 1 one. 9 tens is more than 8 tens, so the alligator is going to eat 91, and the bird is going to eat 83, since 91 is greater than 83. All right. Amazing job. We'll see you tomorrow.